This is it, pusit. Isa sa pinakamasarap na appetizers or ulam. Baby squid in olive oil. Let's start cooking. So ito yung baby squid natin. Tanggalin natin yung kanyang spine. No? May tiny bone sa likod. Yan. You can just feel it with your finger. Yan. So when I start cooking, I will be using ordinary olive oil, no? Yung pomace or yung pang-fry or saute. And later on, we will finish it with extra virgin olive oil for the flavor. And I have 12 cloves of garlic. Ito, unti-unti natin lutuin yung ating garlic. Cook it until tender and lightly brown. And now, I will add my black pepper. Gigisa ko din yung aking black pepper and my laurel leaves. No? So, I want to infuse all the flavors, all the aromas. Ito, amoy adobo na siya. Wala pa akong ninuluto. But this one, this is the time I will add my squid. 1 kilo yan, no? So, we don't want our squid to be overcooked, no? So, quick lang tayo. Now, we will season with salt, asin. So, very classic, very simple na recipe. Paprika, a little bit of paprika powder, a little bit of soy sauce. And to finish, eto siya, instead of suka, we will add lemon juice. And that's done. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. And eto na siya. Sobrang bilis lang. So, your squid is perfectly cooked. Pero if you want your sauce to be richer, tatanggalin mo na yung squid mo. And continue to reduce the sauce. And to finish, di ba sabi ko olive oil? Ito talaga siya. I will add just a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper and extra virgin olive oil. So, I will not cook my olive oil anymore as long as your olive oil is good quality. So, ito siya. Pinapalapot ko lang yung sauce if you want it thicker. Pero this one is already perfect for my liking. And titikman natin yung ating baby squid. Ito na siya. Very simple and special. This is it, pusit. Very tender baby squid in olive oil. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!